We're back creating another video. Okay, we're back at Gecko Terminal. You start again by typing in RMFI Token, Gecko Terminal, and you go here. You don't even have to enter the website unless you want to see more data about liquidity and other matters, but you know, it'll tell you the trading volume and basic stuff right here. But anyways, here you go. You get the contract address. You make sure you not grab that extra space like last time, because that was ridiculous. Okay, let's move forward. Now, we already created a new trust wallet, but I'm gonna show you how to do that right now. This is for people who want to participate in the airdrop for the first time. You go here, you add new wallet, create a new wallet. You come up with a password. I already have one. Let me type it in. Okay, and when your password is confirmed, you pretty much will have a new trust wallet. Your wallet is ready to use. Trust set as default app wallet, yes. For you, that'll be your only one, but for me, I have a bunch of extra ones. So you can rename it or whatever you want to do with it, but right now we're going to show you how to add tokens. So you go here and you go manage crypto. You see token name or contract address. You can see if it'll pop up like this first. See, no results were found. So you go to the plus, import your crypto, select a network. You want to find the Polygon network. There we go. Then you drop the contract address in there. Double check the token info. Anyone can create a token, including fake version of existing tokens. See, you can add token manually if you don't trust it, but you have this address from the source. That's why we always start at RMFI Token Gecko Terminal with the original. We start with that same OG site. Okay, we go right here. Add token. See, now it said it added the RMFI token. It would tell you how many you have right now. This wallet doesn't possess any. See how you will back up your secret phrase? I will open this up to you. Back up your secret phrase. Back up safely these 12 words in a piece of paper and never share it with anyone. Show. So now you will enter your password again, and then it will present you with 12 words that only you will have. And if you lose those 12 words, it will be like losing your money. As of now, I am not familiar with any real recovery method. From what I know, if you lose your 12 key phrases, the wallet is gone. So always remember that with dealing with crypto, is that if you lose your 12, back up safely these 12 keywords, these 12 words. Remember, this phrase is always used in different terms. Is used as a secret phrase or a 12-word key phrase, or sometimes a 24-word key phrase. So sometimes it's more than 12 and when you use other wallets. So with Trust Wallet, there's 12 words. Okay, you can easily transfer a wallet. You can transfer this wallet with these 12 words into another wallet. And we will be transferring this wallet into another wallet on another video. But for now, I will cancel. And now you guys know how to add the RMFI token to your Trust Wallet. But actuality, this is what you want to do. To take the further step to participate in the airdrop, I want to show you something. You see how I both say RMFI Polygon and then POL Polygon? You want to go here, and then you want the receive address to participate in the airdrop. You want to give us your receiving address. Proceed anyway. Send only first-gen RMFI to this address. Sending any other coins may result in a permanent loss. And yes, that is true. So let's go check something out. See 0x59B5. let's go with this one. 0x59b5d. Let's check the end of the DD809. Let's check the end of this other polygon. Look, DD809. See, it's the same address. So in a result, you might not even have to add the RMFI token if you don't want to. This method can be used to add any token as long as you stay within its blockchain that it's relatable with. So you'll always be able to actually send RMFI just through your POL address for those who don't want to do this. But this method is for you to learn how to use all tokens. That's how you import Polygon. Some places will not have Polygon, and some places will not even let you import the network. So you have to be aware of what places you're using. Okay. And this is so you can see your RMFI balance. Sometimes people will send you RMFI through your POL address, and you would check your wallet and it won't show up until you actually import the RMFI token. So sometimes some people will send it to you and it won't show up until you import it. Remember that. So you might have to go back and import it so it'll show up in your wallet. Okay, yeah. All right, have a nice day, you guys. I'll see you guys later. I'll be back with the next video pretty soon.
I'm for it. I'm ride with the beaches and outreaches about platforms. Long last the reads. Yeah, I'm reaping what I plan for. Being for the extra trees, hold the leaves till I ask for it. Excelling with these, all the seeds were accounted for it. Unveiling the fear from our years of being outsourced. Pray for me from these evils in this category. I've been making beats, see the reason they came out for. Tending to the needs of many things that were uncalled for. Bringing in the pieces of our keeper while I'm outdoors. Leave extra for me to hold me in about that story.